Should you do a PhD in data science? In one of the final chapters, let's consider the ever-living question, academia or business? If you're considering doing a PhD in data science, you're going to have to decide whether you want to use your PhD to get a job as a data scientist, or to engage deeper in research and try to solve really complex, theoretical problems. This can be a challenging choice. Is PhD for you? Another thing is, whether a PhD is for you at all. In order to choose well, make sure data science is your passion and you're willing to spend an enormous amount of time on it. Make sure that you'll be able to fund your research. Be constantly curious and eager to learn about new things. Be persistent and don't easily give up. If you've decided it's for you, but you still wonder whether to do it at all, here's a couple of things to wonder. Do you want to stay in academia afterwards and do research? Do you want to go to a corporation or a startup? Do you want to become a freelancer, consultant, or start your own business? Depending on which of those three you choose, you'll enter a graduate school with a different mindset. In the first case, you should focus on research as much as possible. In the second case, apart from research, you should think about networking outside of academia and start spreading news about what you do in a form accessible to a general audience. In the third case, you will need to polish your soft skills, communication, strategy, planning, in order to use your time effectively. What is a PhD in data science? Now to the PhD. Doing a PhD in data science can mean a couple things. PhD in statistics at an economy faculty. PhD in mathematics at applied mathematics faculty. PhD in computer science or machine learning at computer science faculty. The answer which to choose will depend on how much coding hours you'll want to put in the end and how much practical you want to get. Option is for those who want to be practical but not code much. Option is for those who don't want to be necessarily practical. Option is for those who want to be practical and code a lot at the same time. There's no better or worse options here. It all depends on what you want to do after your PhD. Whether you imagine yourself coding for 8 to 10 hours a day, you want to meet people and visualize data, you want to use data science in business decisions, answering those questions will let you decide. The key here is to choose the ones that are most relevant to you. There is a life after PhD. When you finish your research, you can look forward to a future of full-time and part-time jobs, or a life of consulting for a consultancy, doing data analytics for clients, or working in a company that's involved in data analysis. The best decision for you may be to find a job that fits your strengths, and use your PhD to help you achieve your goals, whether that's getting the best data science job in the industry, or getting more research experience.